A game has purple and blue pieces. The ratio of purple game pieces to total pieces is 7 to 16. Select all the statements about the game pieces that are correct. Well, let's focus on the ratio. The ratio is purple pieces to total pieces. Well, what are the total pieces? Well, the total pieces are all the way over here. It's the purple and blue pieces. So another way we can write this ratio is it's purple pieces over the total pieces, which is made up of purple and blue pieces. So that can be our ratio. And so, according to the problem, that ratio is 7 to 16. Well, if we wanted to know the number of blue pieces, well, we already know that there are 7 purple pieces. If there's 7 purple pieces, in order to have 16 total pieces, that means we had to go 7 plus 9. So that again would give us the ratio 7 over 16. So what we know from this is that we have 7 purple pieces and we have 9 blue pieces. That amount of information here is going to help us solve the problems for A, B, C, and D. So we have this amount of information. The number of purple pieces that we have are 7. And the number of blue pieces that we have, is 9. And then the total pieces is going to be equal to 7 plus 9, which equals 16. So that's all the information that we learned from the problem is right there. Now let's go ahead and look at A. A reads that the ratio of total pieces, which we said is 16, to blue pieces, which we said is 9, is correct. That's what we came up with too. So A works. Now let's look at B. B says the ratio of total pieces, well, we said total pieces is 16, to purple pieces is 16 to 9. Well, purple pieces we have is 7. So this one's incorrect. So we're not going to mark this. This is a no. Now let's go ahead and look at C. C reads this. C reads the ratio of purple pieces to blue pieces is 9 to 7. Well, our purple pieces is 7. That's what we have here. And then our blue pieces we know are 9 right there. So that ratio is 7 to 9. That's not the same here, so this is a no. Now let's go ahead and look at D. D reads there must be 9 more blue pieces than purple pieces. Well, let's look. We have 9 blue pieces and 7 purple pieces, but it says there must be 9 more blue pieces than purple pieces. Well, let's go ahead and read this one more time. There must be 9 more blue pieces than purple pieces. Well, there's 7 purple pieces, and if the problem is saying that there's 9 more, that means there's a total of 16 blue pieces, and that's not correct. So this is also a no. So for this problem, A is the correct one. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. You may very well have another way, and remember, as long as you can explain it and is correct and people around you can understand it, then you know it's a great way to solve a problem.